Alright, welcome back to Unbox and Chill. Thank you so much, of course, for stopping in. As always, I do appreciate it. Of course, I'm back because we got an unboxing today. Just want to check in with everybody, and I'm coming fresh off vacation. I came home to a new box, a new watch game, Platinum watch, that I do want to share with the channel here. So I want to show everybody, I want to share this with the channel. We'll get into a quick wristwatch check. We'll do that at the top of the video here. I'm wearing an El Cheapo, actually. This is a Sterling. I actually can't remember the name, but it's just a mesh bracelet Sterling. I believe it actually kind of looks like a Breitling. So it's just like a cheap, Sterling quartz Breitling look-alike situation. But it's kind of, it's a very nice piece to kind of wear and just kind of throw away. You don't care if anything happens to it. It's not a lot of money. I think it was under $100. So it's kind of I want to look fancy, but I want a beater. So anyway, I do want to say at the top of the video also to hit that subscribe button. We're growing nicely. I think we just crossed over like 410 subscribers or so. So remember, we are 90 subscribers away from a giveaway. And then again, I am in talks with the company to kind of sponsor the giveaway. More details on that, should emerge hopefully. But we are looking at, like I said, 90 subscribers away, and then I'm going to give a watch away. So I'm going to give away an automatic watch, and I'm going to give away a watch winder to one of my viewers. So if you want to be a part of that, you want to be a part of the giveaway, be cool, hit that subscribe button, stick around, and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm as well, okay? All right, let's get everything ready here. Let's get the desk set up. We got our NOS. We're ready to unbox. So I've got a box. We're going to bring this in. Keep in mind, this is, just to kind of set this up here, WatchGame.com, guys, is a monthly subscription service. Now, they send you watches every month. This particular tier is their highest one. It is $2.99. It is their Platinum tier. Let's take a look at that and see what that entails. Okay, so let's see here. So we've got the box here, and as you can see, Aquanero. Okay, so I've seen this one before. Obviously, I've seen this this brand in the Watch Game forums before. I actually went ahead and got it, took it out of the box, kind of looked over everything, but personally, I'll say at the top of the video, I like it. I think it looks interesting. I think it looks cool. I think it looks a little more expensive than it is. I'd like to know what you guys think. So let's get into it, okay? We'll grab the watch out. We'll put that to the side just for now. As we pay attention to the rest of the box. So this is some black box. Looks like it appears to be made out of wood. This has the Aquanero logo here at the top. And it does have a foam here. We'll take the foam out. And you've got Aquanero there. Like I said, this is obviously a higher presentation than if you get their original tier. It's usually kind of a paper box, maybe more of a plastic or cardboard box, kind of around that middle tier. But this being the top tier, it does come with a, whoops, hope that wasn't too loud. It does come with a wooden box here. So, and then we've got the warranty information here, Aquanero. So that's all your warranty information for all your warranty needs. And let's get right on in with the watch. So we'll take this off. I'll put that to the side here. And as you can see here, this is the Aquanero. It is so it's white. It looks like it's white with white indices here, white hands as well. It's got the black outline on the hands and everything. I think it looks very good. I think it looks very good. So as you can see, you've got the brushed right there around the bezel. And then you've got a mixture of brushed and high polish, like on the band, around the edge of the bezel here. You've got some high polish. So it's a nice mixture of some brushed elements, some high polish elements. Looks like you do have a signed crown there. On the back, you've got the Aquanero with the logo. It's actually still, let me see, let me open it up here. It's actually still in the plastic. I'll take the plastic off here. Still got the plastic on everything. Let's see here. There you go. We'll take a look at the crystal there. So a little bit of a kind of a like a bevel there, so to speak. We'll see what that's made out of. Hopefully at this price point that is a sapphire crystal and not mineral. Let's see. Let's take this. I want to take this plastic off. Maybe I'll leave it on for now, but I want to take this. I want to take this plastic off. But that's the band there. Now, obviously, this particular watch here, guys, this obviously looks, you know, like an AP or, you know, like obviously, which is a much more expensive watch. But you know, this one's $300. It does have a good movement in it. It is pretty heavyweight, pretty well made. Doesn't feel cheap at all. So this is a very nice piece. You can see the let's see, is it no sweep? Okay, let's get it running. I want to see the sweep here. So of course you've got a screw down crown. You know, this watch has kind of a sailing theme, so I would imagine that it would have some kind of very good water resistance here. Let's hear the okay, so there's the movement as we turn it there. We give it some juice. And we can see that sweep. So now this is going to be usually a decent movement. I doubt this is going to be like an NH35, or not that that's a bad movement, but at this price point, this is probably going to be you know, a little bit nicer movement than an NH35 or some other you know, just kind of basic automatic movement. I think this is going to be a little bit higher there. So we'll take a look. We'll see what that entails. So I really want to know what everyone thinks about this, though. We're going to take a look at the back as well. I'm just going to screw the crown back down here. We'll take a look at the back as well. Okay. So you've got a display case back. So as you can see there, you can see a little bit of a design on there, those crosses, those lines, but you definitely have a display case back going on there. Like I said, overall it's not a bad piece on paper. Very well made. You know, you can see you do have an integrated bracelet, but very well made, good bracelet. It's going to be a good movement in there. We'll see what it is, but I guarantee it's a good movement. And we'll see what the crystal's made out of. As you can see, you have a date complication there. A little bit of texture to the dial as well. And you can see that smooth sweep from that nice automatic. So I want to know what the specs are. So I did pull up the website. I actually did not really go over them. I kind of stayed on the outside here before I pulled it up, because I guess maybe I kind of wanted to be surprised here. So here are the colors, as you can see. So they've got several colors that this watch comes in, and the one that we have obviously is the Arctic White, or I'm sorry, Alpine White. I just made it up here. It's Alpine White. So it says right here, the Sailmaker was designed by a passionate aquaphile. Okay. Let's go down. Alpine White dial. Let's see here. All right, so as you see here, size 43 millimeters. We've got the brushed stainless steel case, with some polishing on there. Okay. You've got a sapphire crystal, which is great. You got a screw down crown. You got a deployment clasp. I want to know about the movement. Okay, Miyota. So there you go. So you got a Miyota 8215 Japan-made movement. Let's see here. You've got frequency, joules, and the power reserve 42 hours. Like I said, overall, so you might bring that in so you guys can see that, and I'll kind of leave it there for a second so you guys can kind of see the what matters there in terms of the movement and everything. But overall, not a bad piece at all, guys, to be honest with you. So like I said, it's $2.99 on Watch Gang. Let's see it on my wrist, and then we'll get out of here. I know we usually do that before, but we'll do that now. We'll check it out on my wrist. We will take off the affordable sterling. And let's see here. Let's throw on the Aquanero. 1 snap and 2 snaps. All right, so just to show you guys, so it does have that. That's the type of clasp that it has there. Got to do the double snap. Hold on, bear with me. There we go. And we'll get you guys some glamour shots of it on the wrist, starting now. So like I said, not a bad piece overall. I do really like the white on white. You know, the black outline really makes it pop, really makes it stand out. Slight texturing to the dial there. I do like like I said, the mixture of polished but also brushed. Really not a bad piece at all. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Give me your honest unvarnished opinion. This has been Unbox and Chill. Thank you so much.